Twin Shaft Dispersers. ACME's Twin Shaft Disperser is one of the most critical equipment in its product range. We are a trusted supplier of TSDs when it comes to performance, quality, and precision. The Twin Shaft Disperser, with its co-axial design, is particularly used for mixing and dispersion of solids. This TSD can be designed to handle higher viscosities up to 3 lakh centipoise. Here, the cowl disc rotates at high speed, imparting shear and ensuring the efficient dispersion of solids into liquid, while slow speed anchor provides overall mixing in the vessel and improved heat transfer rate by scraping the walls of the vessel. The Twin Shaft Disperser can be provided with customized solutions to paints, resin, foods, plastic, and adhesive industries. The TSD can also be provided with hydraulic arrangement to vary the height of cowl disc for promoting overall dispersion in the vessel.